What is going on, Hacker Valley fam? We are here with Russell Spitler, who is the co-founder and CEO of Nudge Security, a leader in the SaaS and AI security governance space. Russ, what does Nudge do?
Very simply, help you figure out all the technology your employees are using, all the SaaS tools, all the AI tools, help you figure out how data is flowing between them. But then most importantly, put the controls back in your hands so you can deploy guardrails to make sure that your employees are using it in compliance with your policies.
Something that you said when we spoke off camera was you would think twice about allowing anyone at your company, or any company at that, connect AI directly to their email, calendar, and even in some cases to their web browser. Why that feeling?
It's incredible as we've operationalized the use of AI across our company, the benefits that we see and the productivity gains that we see. But the fundamental challenge that we have is still the traditional application security challenge. How do I separate the control plane from the data plane? And when you give AI agents or AI tools access to untrusted data sources, such as your email, your calendar invites, or the web pages you're browsing, it's very easy for attackers to take advantage of that dynamic and get those AI tools to do things you really don't want them to do. So we hold a pretty hard line against that in our organization. It's still one of those bigger unsolved problems out there. And it would be one that I would advise every security leader to kind of pause before allowing.
I went to the website and I saw a few things that I could do. And one of the things that it said is look at your OAuth grants. And I looked at mine. For just my account at my company, I had 30. And on average, according to the report, larger organizations, they have 70 OAuth grants on average. That sounds like a governance nightmare.
It is a huge challenge. And it's one of those challenges that when brought up, people will say, oh, I've got that solved because I've locked down Google or Microsoft. The reality is every single one of those apps that you have out there, and on average, an employee has an account about 30 different applications in their day-to-day work. Every single one of those has some sort of integration story. If not, they're just not a relevant app anymore. And data needs to flow between those accounts. And OAuth's the standard that everybody uses. And so when you think about the sort of proliferation of self-service IT and B2B SaaS, that's becoming a critical enabler.
The workforce edge, what is that exactly?
So we really kind of conceptualize Nudge as how are we going to make security work for this modern era of work? And what we recognized in that is the sort of traditional boundaries and perimeters haven't really existed for years at this point. And when you kind of think about locking down an endpoint or a perimeter-based defense or a web proxy, there's utility in those tools for sure, but every day we're letting our workforce out on the internet. And so our view with the workforce edge is you're allowing and putting risk decisions in the hands of your employees as they're doing their day-to-day work. How do we turn that center of risk into an advantage for the organization? How do we help sit along with those employees as they're taking those actions and making sure that those actions are in line with the sort of expectations and security best practices as set forth by the security organization, the IT teams?
What is the one thing that security leaders can do in the next 30 minutes to 24 hours to start getting their arms around the AI sprawl that's living on top of the SaaS sprawl?
Obviously, we built the platform to solve that problem. We can get you up and running in 5 minutes to get the integration going. And within 24 hours, we can give you a high confidence view of all those technologies. But short of using our products, the place I always encourage people to start is go and take a look at those OAuth apps that do exist within Google, within Microsoft. That often gives you a good insight, not just into the most popular, but that long tail of applications that are being used. You'll get some interesting results.
You certainly will. You're going to get some interesting results. And once you see those results, you're going to want to call Nudge. Big thank you to you, Russ. Big thank you to Nudge for all the work that y'all are doing. And I cannot wait to see what comes next.
I am excited as well. Thanks for having me, Ro.